Here we are in the Innovation District, just a hop, skip, and a jump from Victoria Park and just right off the corner of Victoria and King. Innovation District means you have to have some good, cool new ideas, and right now we have not just a little apartment to show you or a little condo, but this place here actually offers a lifestyle. Let me tell you all about this opportunity that's here for you at the Garment Street Condos. No staging? You betcha. As the unit is not quite complete yet, we expect occupancy by middle of March. And what you can look forward to is not only a beautiful one-bedroom condo unit for you, but also the lifestyle that's available here. And when I say lifestyle, this isn't just a collection of rooms. This offers a fitness studio and separate yoga studio, plus also barbecue terrace and swimming pool. Again, this isn't your standard condominium building. So not only will you enjoy 9-foot ceilings, open concept, and a lovely southwestern exposure on your 4th floor, so you don't even have to be worried about heights, but you will also enjoy all the lifestyle that's available to you here at Garment Street. This is Garment Street in the Innovation District, and I'm Watty, Chestnut Park.